Greetings from Ellel Ministries Rwanda.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video about the work God is doing in Rwanda through the ministry of Ellel.
As you may know, Rwanda is a small country in the heart of Africa. It used to be known for the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi, but in recent years, it is known for its remarkable recovery from the ashes of the genocide. Many people see Rwanda now as a beacon of hope, reconciliation, and restoration. The work of Ellel Ministries officially started in August 2013 after several years of conferences in different corners of the nation. Through various activities, people from all kinds of walks, the well-off and the not so well-off, educated and uneducated alike, from Rwanda and beyond, have received healing and restoration in the name of Jesus.
Nagira ubuntu bwo kumenya Ellel Ministries nyuma y'igihe kinini mba mu bwigunge hanze bidashobora kuboneka ariko mu mutima mba jyenyine. Ariko maze kugera muri Ellel Ministries nahishuriwe yuko ibyo ncamo Imana turi kumwe kandi nibyo ntashobora kwihindurira, hari Imana ishobora kubimpindurira.
Kuba muri Ellel Ministries byamfashije gukira ibikomere. Ikindi byamfashije kubabarira abantu bangiriye nabi.
I met Ellel when I was struggling. I was a troubled young man. I was struggling with addictions. I was struggling with unforgiveness due to the history of our country. It was very hard for me to forgive the people who killed my people during the 94 genocide against the Tutsis. But through Ellel, Jesus was able to set me free from the wounds of the genocide, from the wounds of losing my beloved people, and I was able to be set free from all the addiction that I was involved in back in the years. And today, I'm a thankful young man who is helping others to be set free and being who God created them to be.
Ellel Ministries yamfashije ibintu byinshi. Nari umuntu uhorana umubabaro mwinshi cyane, udashira, nkakunda kuba mfite agahinda kenshi kavanze n'amarira. Ntabwo najyaga nishima mu buzima. Nageze muri Ellel maze imyaka 26 mbabaye. Nagiraga ikibazo cy'ihungabana rikomeye tugeze mu gihe cyo kwibuka. Nkahungabana umurenge wose ukabimenya. Ariko ubu ntabwo bikibaho. Ahubwo nanjye mbasha gufasha abandi. Kubera agahinda kenshi nari mfite, abana banjye bajyaga bifuza ibiganiro byanjye ntibabibone. Hari ukuntu banandebaga bakongorerana bakavuga ati rero uyu munsi mwabibonye mwese mwitware gutya. Joshua agahita ababwira tumva mama ntago ishyamba ari ryeru mwitware gutya. Ari uwinjira mu cyumba akinjira mu cyumba yomboka kugira ngo ataza kugira ikintu asitaraho nkamusimbukana. Ariko ubu turakina n'abana banjye, dushyiramo umuziki muri radio tukibyinira. Nta mpamvu yo kuvuga nta kintu na kimwe mu rugo iwanjye mu nzi wacu pe. Urugo rwacu ubu ni ijuru rito.
When I came to Ellel, I was in a very bad place, emotionally, spiritually, and I'm not someone who usually cries in front of people, but in this session I couldn't hold back my tears. I was just crying, feeling like I was in the presence of the Lord, bringing things that had been weighing on me for so long and bringing them to God. And one thing that surprised me was that there were so many people in the room crying, and I was wondering, like, what kind of place do you have so many adult people that are just sitting in a room crying and it feels safe? One thing that I can say for certain that Ellel did for me is that it brought healing in my life.
These and other stories testify to the great work God has done in bringing healing and restoration to the people of Rwanda through Ellel Ministries. The economic growth and infrastructure development that has taken place testifies to the progress in reconciliation between Rwandans. A lot has been done to bring people together and bring healing on the community level. However, the need to continue to bring God's healing and restoration to the hearts and the lives of individuals is as real as ever. This is where the work of Ellel Ministries Rwanda joins the heart of God to restore this nation as expressed in Isaiah 61.
My name is Emmanuel Musaba Korini. I'm a retired Archbishop of Anglican Church of Rwanda. I'm so thankful to God for the opportunity to serve along Ellel Ministry. We are in such a need of healing ministry. Rwanda has been a wounded society, but we thank God for what the Ellel Ministry has done. It reached out to many. We had the testimonies across the country.
The ministry provides a safe place for individuals to be heard and accepted and to help them on their journey of healing and restoration. To be able to do this effectively, Ellel Ministries needs a place big enough to accommodate more people than our current venue, while still being restful enough to facilitate the process of healing. It should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their economic status. We need an Ellel center where people can come and meet with the Lord, find love and acceptance, a center where people can receive the truths that set them free, a center where people can receive healing and be equipped to help others in their community. Renting such a facility would be financially impractical. Therefore, there is a need to purchase such a place.
We have found a uniquely suitable property in the heart of Kigali, accessible from all areas of the city. The cost of purchasing this property is $350,000 US, and we will need $100,000 to renovate the property according to our purposes.
This is an opportunity to invest in what God is doing in this unique and wonderful nation of Rwanda. He has promised not only to heal and restore this nation, but also to use the light from it to shine throughout Africa and beyond. We at Ellel Ministries Rwanda, we are committed to being part of God's kingdom work He's doing in this nation.
Any donation toward this project is most welcome. Thanks again for watching this video and for praying for the work of Ellel in Rwanda.
We have been renting in different places, but we think it's the right time to have our own space, to have a center where we can do things in a way we feel it's the appropriate way to do it. My appeal to you, would you come along to serve the Rwandans? May the Lord touch your mind and heart and help us to serve Him. God bless you. Thank you.